Oh, come on, come on. Why is it stuck like that? I should be able to wiggle it off. Oh, so scary. Don't lose those. Oh, you know what? It's because of the fucking tire. It's because of this cable. It's tight. Didn't you loosen this fucking cable? There we go. Give me a little bit of space. That's off. Alright, take the air out. And when you take the air out, it fucking smells. It always stinks. It's like all that rubber shit. You smell that, Louis? It smells like old, nasty rubber. You know what? I don't even know where my tire is. I'll find it. I'll find it. You get the air out. It deflates. You can kind of see the structure here. Since it's a split rim. Louis, back off. You're gonna fucking steal my shit. I think it's this one, yeah. I recommend having little boxes and stuff to hold your shit together, all your screws and stuff. But I have a big enough space right here. I'm not too concerned about it. Do not want to lose these screws underneath the oven. Recommend not do it next to the oven. Oh my god. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm kind of hungover, so I'm kind of doing this not the optimal stage. Not the optimal mentality. You know the word. State of mind to be doing this. Not the best. I figured a nice real-time video of how to do this is beneficial for people. You can just fast forward and stuff, but you get to see every little fucking detail. That's what I hate about most technical document. It has like 90% of what you need and then 10% what you don't. You don't get. No, Louis, no. That's fucking my stuff. No. Clean your eyes. No. Hey, man. Recommend putting the dog away if you can. My only concern is if this thing falls on him, because it's at an angle. But we good. Damn. When you unscrew this, it feels like it's ready to come out, but you have to do a few more twists. I wonder if I should put thread. What's it called? Well, I obviously cannot think today. Don't recommend doing this if you're hungover. But, you know, I've done this like 3 times on this front tire already, and like twice in the back, so no big deal. Damn, this fucking thing's coming apart. How annoying. Tighten this up. There we go. I used to have like a toolbox and everything I need to do this at my old house, but since I've been moving around, I hardly have anything with me. Just the bare minimum of what I need. Loctite was the word I was thinking. Alright, now that all the screws are out, you can kind of shake it, and boom, this bad boy comes out. This is the worst position to do it. I should do something a little bit higher. Let me move it up a little bit higher. There we go. That comes out. Here is the tire. Oops. Yo, I almost lost that. Alright, I'm gonna take this out. You know, I'm gonna grab my other tire. No, Louis. Shh. Not yours. He wants to fucking take that shit. No. No. Where the fuck is the tire? Hold on. Hold on. Man, you know what? I think the fucking tire is in the box. In the fucking suitcase that I put everything on. Shit. I'm a fucking idiot. Now here's what we're gonna do. Shit. We're gonna just lay it like that. We're gonna potentially